Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Minecraft GLFW error 65543. This error usually happens because your graphics driver are outdated or your PC does not support the required OpenGL version for Minecraft. First, just go ahead and restart your computer and try launching Minecraft once again, because temporary glitches issue can sometimes cause this error. Next, update your graphics driver. To do this, just right-click on your Start menu and go to Device Manager, and here, just go ahead and expand the display adapter and right-click on your GPU and choose to update driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. And once it has been installed, just go ahead and restart your PC. And now, check whether your graphic card supports OpenGL 2.3 or higher. You can do this by just remembering your GPU name. And in my case, it is going to be this particular GPU. So I'll just go to any browser to where you're liking, and just go ahead and search for the graphics driver, and just search OpenGL support and hit enter. And here you can see my graphics driver supports the OpenGL version. And if your GPU does not support OpenGL, Minecraft Java Edition may not run correctly. Now install the latest version of Java. Just go to any browser to your liking and search for java.com and make sure it is updated to the latest version. Also, avoid launching Minecraft through remote desktop or virtual machine because they can block proper OpenGL access. If the issue still continues, reinstall the Minecraft launcher completely to replace corrupted files. The simple rule is outdated driver or unsupported GPU usually cause this error, and updating driver plus checking OpenGL support fixes it in most cases. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Minecraft GLFW error. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.